In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the Asana Admin Console efficiently. If you're an Asana user, particularly an administrator, becoming familiar with the Admin Console is essential for managing your team's workflow effectively. Let's dive into it step by step, ensuring you're confident in handling all aspects of the Admin Console. To access the Admin Console, you'll first need to log into your Asana account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon. Clicking this icon will open up a drop-down menu featuring various options that help you customize and configure your Asana account. From this drop-down, select the Admin Console option. With a single click, you'll be directed to the Admin Console, and there you have it, access granted. Now that you're inside the Admin Console, you might notice several sections available for you to explore and manage. Let's go through these features to understand what you can do to optimize your team's productivity. First, you'll see Project Insights. This feature provides a comprehensive overview of the projects being managed under your workspace. It's a powerful tool for tracking progress, identifying bottlenecks, and ensuring everything is on schedule. You can adjust how you view these insights to best suit your monitoring needs. Next, beneath Project Insights, you'll find access to managing your workspace members. As an admin, here's where you can add or remove team members and set permissions, giving you complete control over who is involved in various projects. This functionality is crucial for maintaining security and ensuring that only authorized individuals have access to sensitive information. Take the time to familiarize yourself with these settings, as they are key to managing member roles and keeping the workspace organized. The Admin Console also includes a section for billing details. It's essential to regularly check and manage your subscription to avoid any disruption in service. Reviewing billing can provide insights into different plans that might better suit your team's needs as your organization grows or requirements change. Lastly, you'll come across various configuration settings that allow you to tailor your Asana experience to fit your unique needs. This might include integrations with other tools your team uses or general account settings to enhance user experience. And there you have it. Navigating through the Asana Admin Console isn't as daunting as it may initially seem. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage all aspects of your Asana environment, from team projects to member roles and billing details. Understanding these elements will enable you to create a streamlined, efficient workflow, providing the foundation for your team to succeed. So go ahead, explore these powerful tools within the Admin Console and make the most of what Asana offers. That's all for today, and I hope you found this tutorial both informative and empowering for your Asana management journey.